Hello friends, building a web YouTube channel. Here we are going to see cheat code problem, merge sorted array. Okay, here in this question I have given numbers 1 array and numbers 2. Also I have given one value like m is equal to 3 and n is equal. So they are expecting to sort these arrays. Here we need to understand both the arrays are sorted, right? So 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6. Similarly, they are expecting 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. Like we need to fill this nums1 array like 1, 2, 3. Instead of zeros, we need to fill the respective sorted numbers. The nums1 array itself. Okay, we don't need to create extra array. So we have taken the question in two scenarios. I will explain the first scenario. Here we are setting two pointers from the back of the array. Okay, like m is equal to 3, so we are starting from here, which means 3 minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Similarly, n is equal to 3, right? 0, 1, 2, so which is 3 minus 1. We are starting the j pointer here. We are comparing 3 and 6, so which one is greater? 6 is greater. We are going to place nums1 of the last element, which means the length minus 1, which should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the length is 6 minus 1, 5. So in this place we are going to place the sixth element after the comparison. Nums1 look like 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 0, right? So in the last place we are going to place number 6. Okay, after placing it we need to minus the jth pointer. Okay, if we compare 3 and 5, 5 is greater, so to add 5 this position. Okay, so how we came to know, like from this position to this position we are going to place the next number 5. So for that we are going to maintain one more pointer, which is k pointer. So initially it would be length minus 1, right? Means 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So whenever we are replacing this 6, okay, at that time we will do a minus minus, so it will become 5 minus 1, it will become 4. So we track that index and we place the next element is 5. Okay, then we'll be decrementing the pointer, right, to this position. If we compare 3 and 2, which is greater number? 3, right? So we'll place 3 here. The pointer will move to this position. Now if we compare I and j, so it is 2. We will keep 2 here, right? Then can move the pointer this place. Now 2 is greater, so we will replace 2. Okay, so we will move the j pointer here, right? So once the j pointer reaches -1 means 0, right? We are the condition would not run for -1, right? We have reached the limit, array limit 0. So we will be returning this nums1. So the nums1 is changed to 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. It is sorted. So this is one of the scenario. Another scenario is the same scenario, but here I just replace the numbers in the array. Okay, but it is sorted array. Let me create one nums1 array. Okay. In similar way, we are comparing 6 and 3. So here nums1 would be 2, 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. But after the comparison of 6 and 3, 6 is greater, right? So we are replacing it. We are moving the ith index here. Okay. Then we are comparing 5 and 3. We are replacing 5 here. We are moving ith. Okay. So again we do a 2 and 3 comparison. 3 is greater. Then we the j pointer here. Again we do the comparison. So 2 is like the condition would just placing the 2. I will show in the code. Here you can move the jth index. Is greater, it reaches -1. So this is one of the corner case. Still we are pending with one more element, right? So that would fill this nums1. So this is of the corner case we need to handle. So I have shown two scenarios. I hope you have understood. Let us code. So I'm maintaining one pointer I is equal to m minus 1. So here m is equal to 3. I j is equal to n minus 1. So here n is equal to 3. Then to maintain the index of the nums1 where we are going to replace, right? So for that index plus 1 plus n minus 1. So we are going to run a while loop for this array, only this array, which is having n is equal to 3, right? So a greater than or equal. So this while loop should run from 3 to 0. So at this time we will be comparing the elements on an element, right? Is less than nums a. So which means I'm comparing the elements if the array, if the numbers present in the nums2 array is greater, we'll simply do that index. The index would be m plus n, 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1, which should be 5. So at that last position, we are placing this greater number. Right? After placing the greater number, we should move the pointer, right? Which should be a minus minus. So if the condition is for, we'll be adding this nums1, right? The condition false, element x is equal to, so here it would be nums1 of a, which means nums1 of a. So this number is greater, we are adding 2 of j. This number, the condition fails, which means this number is greater. We are adding this number here. After adding, we need to do minus minus. So it will compare which one is greater. So we are adding it based on the condition. After the number is added, we will be moving the pointer from the last element to here, right? So we need to do a minus minus. If I try to run this program, I will get one error like index minus 1 out of bound. Okay. So this is the scenario where here in this scenario, the condition like the j loop will end. So there is no problem for us. So it will return 1 and the replaced element, right? But here in this scenario, still j is pending, one element is pending, but the condition hit minus 1 for the ith pointer. So we will need to do like, while checking this condition here, we can do like I should be greater than equal to 0 plus j should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so that minus 1 will not affect this piece of code. So the remaining element copy in the nums1 array. The code would become j is still pending to reach the, and this array remaining element nums would be the second array pointer. Okay, so I hope everything is good. Let's run the code. Taking time limit exceeded. Okay, so we have done some mistake in this. Let me go through the code once again. Here nums here in this condition, after play every time we are placing this replacing this number, we need to move the point, then only this condition will fails and it will return, result will be populated, right? Accepted for all the keys. some interesting test case. Here we can see the output. For this test case, it is showing let's check the code. The greater number is added at the heading field. Heading. If in case if you are stuck in a problem like this, what I'll do is to charge. I will just ask what is the mistake? Is the mistake that so like will tell forgot to decrement k inside the second while. Okay, I got the point. So here I forgot a minus to the this case. So initially this the greater element 456 would be added at the place, right? And remaining element I need to add. What mistake I did was here a minus minus, okay, that's fine. But for the replacement index, this k, I forgot to add. Then only I can get this index right. K minus minus. So I can move to this place. I can move to this place. So while moving, I can replace the number right. 3, 2, 1. So this test case. Okay, hi test case to run. Yeah, the test case. 456. See, 456 1 2 3. Simple mistake. Decrement caused this error. The code. Yeah, this code works fine. So I hope it helps. So whenever you feel stuck, there is you can ask the interviewer, as well as you are practicing, you can use ChatGPT by asking the correct prompt. So or else it would give the entire code. Hope this helps. If you like this video, please give a like and please do share the channel building web app to your friends, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.